Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by targeting a completed edit and a clean audio track. This saves time when generating text. Open the text panel and hit Transcribe Sequence to auto-generate a transcript or import an existing SRT if you already have one. Choose the correct caption format. Use Open Subtitles for delivery files or 608/708 for broadcast because that affects burn-in and compatibility. Once done, review the transcript pane and correct obvious transcription errors before creating the caption track to avoid rework later. You now convert the clean transcript into captions by clicking Create Captions. Premiere splits text into caption blocks automatically. Inspect each block and align timing using ripple trims or by dragging edges in the timeline so dialogue matches mouth movements. Accurate timing improves comprehension. Next, open Essential Graphics to set font, size, line length, and background box for readability. This matters for viewers on small screens. Once styled, use the caption track settings to export burned-in or sidecar files, depending on client needs. You finish by exporting with the correct caption option. Choose Create Sidecar File to deliver an SRT or burn captions into video for permanent subtitles. Make sure your sequence frame rate matches target export to avoid drift. After export, test the SRT in a player and the burned-in video on different devices to confirm timing and legibility. If captions desync or fonts break, retranscribe the affected segment at the problem spot and verify sequence frame rate and caption standard. This fixes most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.